As homeowners, we all want our living spaces to reflect our personal style and be comfortable and functional at the same time. However, not everyone has the budget for a complete home renovation or to hire professionals for every project. Luckily, there are plenty of easy and affordable DIY home improvement projects that you can do yourself to transform your space and make it feel new. In this blog post, we're sharing 10 such DIY home improvement projects that you can tackle with confidence, even if you're a beginner. From repainting your walls to installing new light fixtures, these projects will not only update the look of your space, but also increase its value and functionality. We'll provide easy-to-follow instructions, tools, and materials needed, and tips for success so you can take on these projects with ease and confidence. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home or just want to improve its efficiency and comfort, these DIY home improvement projects will help you achieve your goals without breaking the bank. 1. Upgrade kitchen cabinets with paint. When it comes to transforming your kitchen, upgrading your cabinets with a fresh coat of paint can make a significant impact. Not only is it a cost-effective way to update the look of your space, but it's also a relatively easy DIY project that can be completed in a weekend. First, remove all cabinet doors and hardware and clean them thoroughly. Then, sand the surfaces to create a smooth base for the paint to adhere to. Next, apply a primer to ensure even coverage and prevent the paint from chipping or peeling. Finally, apply your chosen paint color using a paintbrush or roller and allow ample drying time before reattaching the doors and hardware. With a little bit of time and effort, you can give your kitchen a fresh, modern look that will leave you feeling proud of your DIY skills. 2. Create an accent wall. An easy and affordable way to change the look of any room is to create an accent wall. Painting one wall a different color or adding wallpaper can transform the space and create a focal point in the room. Choose a color or pattern that complements the existing decor and furniture in the room. A popular trend is to use a bold and contrasting color to create a striking accent wall. It is important to properly prepare the wall before painting or wallpapering to ensure a smooth and even finish. With a little bit of time and effort, creating an accent wall is a DIY project that can instantly refresh and elevate the look of your space. 3. Install a new light fixture. Installing a new light fixture is a relatively simple DIY home improvement project that can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living space. The first step is to turn off the electricity supply to the existing fixture by switching off the circuit breaker. Next, remove the old fixture carefully and ensure that the wires are disconnected. Once the old fixture is removed, you can install the new fixture by following the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that the wires are connected correctly and that the fixture is securely fastened to the ceiling or wall. Finally, turn on the circuit breaker and test the new light fixture to ensure it is working correctly. With these steps, you can easily transform the look of your room with a new and stylish light fixture. 4. Refresh the bathroom grout with paint. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to refresh your bathroom, consider painting the grout. Over time, grout can become discolored and stained, making your bathroom look dull and outdated. With a little bit of paint and some elbow grease, you can transform your bathroom and give your tiles a fresh, modern look. Start by cleaning the grout thoroughly with a mixture of water and vinegar, then allow it to dry completely. Next, apply a coat of grout paint in the color of your choice, following the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to use a small brush or toothbrush to apply the paint to the grout lines and take your time to ensure even coverage. Once the paint is dried, your bathroom will look like new again. 5. Add crown molding for sophistication. Crown molding is an excellent way to add a touch of sophistication to your home. It is an elegant decorative trim that is typically installed where the ceiling meets the wall and can instantly elevate any room's aesthetic appeal. Installing crown molding can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and some basic DIY skills, it is a relatively easy project to undertake. It adds a classic, timeless look to any room and can also make your ceilings appear higher. There are various styles and sizes of crown molding available, so you can choose the one that best fits your home's design and decor. In just a few hours, you can transform the look of your living room or bedroom with this simple yet impactful DIY project. Adding crown molding is a budget-friendly and practical upgrade that can significantly increase the value of your home. 6. Build a bookshelf for storage. Building a bookshelf is a practical and easy-dye home improvement project that can provide additional storage space while enhancing the aesthetics of your home. Whether you are an avid reader or simply looking to organize your space, a bookshelf can be a great addition to any room. With a little bit of planning and some simple tools, you can build a bookshelf that is both functional and stylish. When choosing the materials and design for your bookshelf, consider the overall style of your home and the purpose of the bookshelf. You can customize your bookshelf to fit your specific needs, such as by adding doors or compartments for hidden storage. Building a bookshelf is a versatile DIY project that can be completed in a weekend, and it can add value to your home while providing a functional and attractive storage solution. 7. Create a dye headboard. Creating a DIY headboard is a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your bedroom and transform the space without breaking the bank. Not only can you save money by creating your own headboard, but it can also be a fun project to tackle on a weekend. There are countless design options to choose from rustic to modern, and a variety of materials to work with, such as wood, fabric, or even repurposed materials. With a few tools and some creativity, anyone can create a stunning headboard that complements their bedroom decor. Whether you want to add a pop of color, texture, or a unique shape, a dye headboard is a simple and impactful way to elevate your sleeping space. 8. Refinish hardwood floors for elegance. Refinishing hardwood floors can add elegance and value to your home. Whether you're looking to update your space or are preparing to sell, refinishing your hardwood floors is a great DIY project to take on. The process involves sanding the existing finish off the floors, repairing any cracks or gaps, and applying a new stain and finish. The end result is beautiful, polished floors that will impress your guests and make your home feel more modern and sophisticated. While the process can take some time and effort, it's a cost-effective way to transform your space and boost your home's overall appeal. 9. Install a smart thermostat. The installation of a smart thermostat is among the 10 easy home improvement projects that can transform your space. With a smart thermostat, you can easily control the temperature of your home from anywhere, anytime, using your smartphone or voice commands. Not only does this make your home more comfortable, but it also saves you money on energy bills in the long run. Smart thermostats can learn your habits and adjust the temperature accordingly, so you don't have to constantly make manual adjustments. Installing a smart thermostat is a simple DIY project that can be completed in just a few hours, and the benefits are well worth the effort. With the convenience and savings it provides, a smart thermostat is definitely an upgrade that you won't regret. 10. Create a stylish gallery wall. Creating a stylish gallery wall is an easy and affordable DIY home improvement project that can transform any space. The key is to select a cohesive theme and a variety of frame sizes and shapes to create a visually interesting display. Start by selecting a focal point, such as a large piece of artwork or a striking photograph, and build around it with complementary pieces. Don't be afraid to mix and match frames and artwork styles for an eclectic look. To create a cohesive look, consider using a limited color palette or sticking to black and white artwork. Once you have your pieces, lay them out on the floor to play with the arrangement before hanging them on the wall. With a little planning and creativity, a stylish gallery wall can easily become a focal point in any room. In conclusion, sprucing up your living space doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these 10 easy-to-DIY home improvement projects, you can transform your home into a more functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Remember to always prioritize safety when undertaking any project, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when necessary. By following these tips and tricks, you can elevate your space without breaking the bank or sacrificing too much of your time. Happy home improvement!